Today we're going to work our mid-back with the TRX mid-row. So a regular row, you pull down to your belly button, keeping your elbows tight to the body, right? But with this mid-row, your hands are actually going to be horizontal and you're going to pull to your side, really squeezing your shoulder blades together. When you pull, you'll pull with your shoulders and then your elbows, coming all the way up and then all the way back down. With the TRX, you're going to grab the handles, take a step back so there's tension in the strap. You're going to lean back, bring your hands to the horizontal position. From here, you're going to pull your arms to the side up to 90 degrees and come all the way down. If you feel like that's too easy for you, you're just going to take a step forward to make it a little bit harder. And if it's too hard, you're going to take a step back to make it a little bit easier. Just like this. That's how you do a TRX mid-row.